What is going on YouTube? Random Michael here again. I'm back. Just wanted to post this video and give you guys an update. I'm feeling a lot better now. It turns out I had COVID. Yikes, I know, but I'm good now. I'm gonna jump straight into this video here for you guys. So with this one, it's called Anime Flicks. I'll put it in the description below as well as in the main video itself. So with this one, the best part of it using this website is that it gives you the option of both subbed and dubbed. However, you do have to register if you want to log in and view it, search up an anime. Otherwise, it'll just do it by alphabetical order. I'm gonna show you guys now. Let me take a look and see. So it takes like less than a minute to sign up. Get the email address and you quickly set that over. So once you do have this filled out, you just go ahead and log in. Gonna go ahead and just block this here if you can. Oh, wrong one. There we go. Okay, so I'm signed in. You can look up any anime. What other one? This is another one I get a lot of. Black Clover, haven't watched it yet. Sub and dubbed. Just depends how many episodes there are. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Send me comments, subscribe, send me messages if you guys have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one with my next update on the vlog that's coming up. See you guys and have a good... Wait, it's almost Christmas. Oh, dang. Alright, I'll see you guys in a day or two.